jump in the wings. Jump in the wings.
What else? How about you do, if you're happy and you know it, jump up and down?
That doesn't rhyme either.
That doesn't rhyme either?
Yeah.
Which part you want to do? Clap your hands? Say yeehaw?
No, that doesn't rhyme either.
Are you all done with the
I
you're
like
happy and you know
yeehaw. Yeehaw's my favorite.
it? If you're happy and you know it, sit on the couch. You're silly.
No, I get it. Not that rhyme.
Not that rhyme?
I gotta get out of the chair.
Oh, you want me to get out of the chair? I gotcha.
And say jump in the blankets.
Oh, you want me to jump on the blankets? I'm too big.
It's okay. It's jump with me. It does what I do. Do what I do. Just go. Just jump. And just hit in blankets.
You're a busy dude.
This.
Oh,
That's a
Trayman.
soft landing.